I'm sure you have heard of ASUS two mainstream laptop series, the ASUS ZenBook and ASUS VivoBook. Putting the gaming-centric laptops, the ROG aside, there is this ASUS ExpertBook series that is geared towards business. ExpertBook laptops provide more high customizations on hardware and offer extensive warranty coverage, including on-site service and repair. All the ASUS ExpertBook laptops are designed to operate 40 hours work week for business needs with less downtime. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Way episode 83. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we're looking at the ASUS ExpertBook B5 Flips. It's an ultra-portable, convertible laptop powered by the latest Intel 12th Gen U series processor. Come in one color options, Star Blacks. It has a matte finish and the back cover is very simple with just the ASUS logo right in the center and the ExpertBook badge on the top left corner. The magnesium aluminum alloys meets the military grade A10H durability standards, which give you a peace of mind. You can use the laptops in normal mode, tense, lay flat, and of course in tablets with the optional MPP 2.0 active stylus pen. The ASUS ExpertBook B5 Flips come with a spill-resistant full-size laptop keyboard. They are backlit chiclet with matte finish keycaps and offer a tactile typing experience. This is thanks to the long 1.5mm key travel. If you notice, the number keys 1 to 4 are different. This is because it functions as hotkey or shortcut to launch programs, websites, and other actions like toggles on or off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi switch. This feature is called ASUS ExpertWidget and is customizable to your preference to save times and increase productivity. ASUS thoughtful enough to include a wireless optical mouse inside the box. But why silver though? You won't be disappointed with the port selections on the ExpertBook B5 Flips. Two Thunderbolt 4.0 that support 4K display output and fast charging, micro HDMI for you to convert to gigabit LAN, HDMI 2.0B, USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, and a 3.5mm audio combo port. The power buttons double up as a fingerprint scanner. Remember the red dot that appears on your conference messaging apps when you're busy on a conference call? ASUS added a small bright LEDs on the top covers of the ASUS ExpertBook B5 Flips. It serves as a glance indications of your status when you're busy on a conference call. The ExpertBook B5 Flip has two-way AI noise cancelling technology that uses machine learning techniques that filter noise around the speakers and eliminates noise from the person at the other end of the conversation. The Full HD webcam above the display features a physical privacy shutter. Since I'm talking about the display, it sports an anti-glare 16:9 13.3-inch Full HD touchscreen that supports MPP 2.0 stylus pen. The panel features 100% sRGB color gamut and 300 nits peak brightness. It works great indoors with little reflections, so you can move around in your office and can even use it next to a bright windows. Under the hood is the Intel Core i5-1235U processor paired with 8GB of DDR5 memories and 512GB M.2 PCIe 4.0 storage. Despite being so compact, yet it's a convertible laptop, the ExpertBook B5 Flips is highly upgradable, including an MD SODIMMs that can support up to 32GB of memories, meaning you can get a total of 40GB of RAMs. There's also an empty M.2 slot where it supports dual SSD RAID for improved data reliability or faster operation. The Intel Core i5-1235U paired with integrated Intel UHD graphics and 8GB of memories perform relatively well for any office works and can even handle simple creative or graphics related tasks. When it comes to battery life, the Intel U series shine in this department. The 66 working hour battery can deliver up to 11 hours of battery life. Based on my usage, which is mainly on productivities, it can last 8 hours and more. The ASUS ExpertBook B5 Flip is one great professional business laptop that's solidly built and is power efficient. What I didn't expect is that this compact yet lightweight laptop has so much upgrade potentials for both RAMs and storage. A complete written review is available now on my website. The link will be in the description box. That's all from me on the ASUS ExpertBook B5 Flip. If any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.